Right now we're at a rest stop driving down to Rhine Valley in Germany, and I was so tired in the bus that I knocked out for so many hours, and even at this rest stop I was so out of it that I didn't really know what was going on.
You could have been the one to show me what it'd be like to be a part of something real, but you only left me with scars.
The first people, they start filling in the bigger spaces. After that, they go over.
Table was there for your cards. You kept them all for yourself. Left me in the dark, how could you? You know you were wrong.
This is our first German meal. I have no idea. Maybe their first, and then our second will be tomorrow.
How does it taste?
It's very good. What does it taste like? Bread.
Yeah. So scary?
No.
We're doing wine tasting.
With no wine.
With no wine, but got some cheese.
Wait, was that one?
Doing like the so-called sommeliers of connoisseurs this time and this evening.
I got you doing it.
I feel pretty sick.
There, and then I went there, and then I can go in there.
We're going on that ferry across the river.
Oh, I figured it out.
This town is so nice. Our hotel is this one right here. There's not a lot of people. Don't know what they're doing, like what their nightlife is. I don't think they have a nightlife. But it's like a nice little town by the river. We took the ferry over. Look at the moon.
Are you recording?
We got played.
So there's 3 people in one room.
4, 5, 6.
6.
We're all 205.
Are you serious?
This is our room. We have a balcony outside. There's all the people hanging out. Thing is, they double booked his room and Tanya's room with 2 other girls.
I'm not convinced.
Hey guys, just finished breakfast and now we're going to drive to Munich. It's 8 o'clock right now. Still kind of tired, but last night's sleep was pretty good. So I'll try to stay awake during the ride.
Such a nice
I know.
Me in the dark, how could you? You know you were wrong, I should've loved you when I had the chance back then. Wish I'd known it was just pretend. Yeah, they packed up and
We're at a rest stop and they have McDonald's and coffee. Veggie crisps.
and you should've laid them out. Because that you get for yourself.
Now we're on our way to Munich, but it started raining. Good thing I brought my ambassador jacket.
I bought the beer stein, I bought Birkin, I bought
a cookie sock. I bought the wine. She bought a cuckoo clock.
Okay, so we're 002. It's actually on the 0th floor. Let's go in. Ooh. Car. Wow. It's fancy. Let's look at the view. So their 0th floor is actually like the first floor. This is so modern. It smells really nice. It smells really, well, really fresh, as in like it's newly constructed.
Now there's no more time for us, and you should have laid them out. The cards that you kept for yourself left me in the dark. How could you? You know you were wrong. I should have.
It's raining. Look at look at you.
We improvising.
I'm living 2018. You live in 2035.
2035, baby, for free.
Their taxis are Benz, Mercedes. Like, what the heck? What? I ride taxi every day. If you know any of those buildings or landmarks that you see, please comment down below because I didn't really pay attention when Jess was talking or explaining. So sorry, Jess.
Cards that you kept for yourself left me in the dark. How could you? You know you were wrong. I should have let you have the chance, but then I think I know it was just pretend. The illusion was beautiful.
We're in Germany today.
I thought I just offended them. Shit, how's it done?
This is how you do it. Lean it. Close. Oh, darn it.
Alright, we're going on a bike ride in the rain. I haven't rode a bike since freshman year, so I'll see how it goes. Hope I don't fall.
Could have been one to save you.
Very good today. There, you're smiling now. Very good, folks.
To think that you thought this was love. You should have told the truth and saved me. All the time that I wasted on you.
Hi, Jerry.
How are you feeling?
Very cold.
And you should have laid them out.
Can we see what your
The
government is
cards that
doing?
you kept
Now,
for
folks, I'm right.
yourself left me in the dark. How could you? You know you were wrong. I should have.
What is this?
A pork knuckle!
Because of the rain, all my clothes got wet, so I borrowed an iron from front desk and tried to dry everything out.
Illusion was beautiful.
The next day I woke up feeling really sick and I don't have any medicine left, so I was chugging down water and orange juice at breakfast.
Oh, no way.
No, you're looking for the better. You will see that I'll be right here by your side. All the thoughts that take you into space, all your prophecies and all your fears aside. If it could be enough.
Yo, shoot. What are we doing?
Yo, what's up, baby? Rafting coming at you.
Gonna water rafting.
That's right. Too cool for school, so we gotta go rafting, baby.
Rafting to school. Down the river.
Get Jess in this.
Hi, Jess.
#1 tour guide
Number one.
in London.
This is your first time rafting or not?
I've done it a few times.
How many times?
I don't know.
Too many to count.
Few, quite a few.
Great. Just finished water rafting. I lost my shoe. I lost my shoe.
I can tell you I have never been so sure.
Look at this view. What's up, me and Tanner here. Just coming back from water rafting. It was hella How was your experience?
It was wild.
It's wild.
I started to lose a shoe.
Yeah, I lost my shoe. I had to swim for my shoe, but then I couldn't get it. And I started choking on water. But it's all good. I wonder how much it is. How much it costs. I would have to pay for it. Yeah, look at the view. And there's sand. So we went down this river and the view was really nice. We passed by bridges, train tracks, small towns. It was just really peaceful. And how I lost one of my rafting shoes was that we went into the water, and as I was kicking the water, it came off because the size was a little bit too big. And good thing that the other boat caught it and then threw it over, but otherwise it was just bye-bye shoe. We're gonna try random berries.
Yeah.
How does it taste?
Pretty good.
The water was really cold. It was freezing, but somehow that made me feel really refreshed and not as sick anymore afterwards. This is our hotel. Nice. I like it. I like it. What's up, guys? I'm walking down the street in Hopfgarten in Austria. It's really green here. The grass is so green here, and they're real. And it's like a small little town with less than 2,000 people, I think. But yeah, they have interesting cars, like car brands that I've never seen before. There's actually a Contiki headquarter here. So all four of us, our Contiki groups are meeting up here, and we're having a get-together sort of thing, dinner tonight. Real life application. If the slope is at a 50% incline, how much force does the friction exert on the car going downhill? And for the rest of the night, there was a party and people were having fun. And next day we're going to Italy.